Ka wadhi nyime wayudo ni oganda Jokenya ne obago ng'anyo e log tich mar agulu matayo weche omenda koting'o hola madhi ne pinje maoko IMF ka gisekuom kelo midhiero masani chando Kenya. Jokenya go mane wuok e bombe mag Washington, Maryland gi Virginia nokwedo mokalo IMF kuom dino itgi ne chandruok ma hola ma imiyo Kenya kelo ne jopiny e kinde ni mapek mar ngima oidho ka Jokenya mamoko bende wito ngimagi. Nying jogo ma osewito ngimagi e kinde ma Jokenya osebedo ka ng'anyo pachoka ne gindike oboke mane giting'o gidwaro mondo IMF ochul familia mane jogegi owito ngimagi ka jogo mane oyudo hinyruok bende chwalnegi kony mar thieth.
Have crippled our continent, have crippled Africans throughout the world. Why? To ease the exploitation of our resources. Because from the days of the slave trade to the days now, it is about the theft of resources from African soil to fuel a global economy that renders us invisible. But we are here today, and those 53 of our kin were there to say not on our watch. These institutions have said no as we try to build an economy that works to feed our people, where our young children have jobs when they complete their schools, where schooling is free, as was in the constitutions of so many of our countries in the 60s. But yet slowly, the privatization of education, the privatization of healthcare, the privatization of telecommunications and all essential services, because of the IMF, because of the World Bank, but also our governments that have been complicit in letting them do their bidding.
We are not making our president any less culpable, because this is a collusion. This is a collusion. And this problem started before. It wasn't this finance bill. If you just go back on YouTube, from way back in 2018, people have been complaining about these new taxes.